Dear students, I am your Brice sir, and today I am going to teach you moral science. Students, take out your moral science book and find out chapter 2, Be on Time. Before starting the lesson, I want to tell you that moral science is such a subject that builds moral values in you, and these moral values helps you throughout your life. So children, the lesson is be on time. So be on time means be punctual. Why should we be punctual? So the answer is very simple. We should be punctual to be successful in our life. And when should you be punctual? The answer is very clear. You have be punctual every time. When you get up, be punctual, get up in time. When you brush your teeth, then be punctual, brush your teeth in time. Like that, have your breakfast, get ready for your school, take a bath, or go to bed, or study yourself. Whatever work you do, you must do the work in time. So in this lesson, children, we are going to learn about be on time. We will learn about the punctuality, its benefits, and if we are not punctual, then what maybe happens in our life that we will study. So children, you know, we have lot of things in our lives, and sometimes they comes and they goes. Like if you have a car at your home, it may be after 5 years you may have a new car, and after next 5 years you may have most expensive car. But children, keep in mind, every things can be replaced, but once time is gone, you can't have it. That is why it is said, it is a gift. Time is a gift, and it is the most valuable gift on earth. So we must respect time. So we can ask, and you can ask, that how can we respect the time? Very simple. If we are getting up in the morning and going to the bed, okay, during this time we do from getting up from the bed and going to the bed at night, morning to night, we do lot of work. And if we are doing all the works in time, so that means we are respecting the time. So children, now we are going to start a story. We are going to read a story, and I will tell the summary of the story. It is a story of a girl, and her name is Disha, and she was a lazy girl. You know how she was lazy? And who are lazy? The person who don't work on time are lazy. So Disha was one of the laziest girl, you can say. She never get up herself. Her mother used to make her get up from the bed. But what happened one day, her mother was making her to get up and she had some activities in her school. She had to go to picnic and her mother was telling her, Beta, get up. But she ignored. She thought herself, after 5 minutes I will get up and do all the work and then I will go to school. But what happens? When she got up, she find that it is already 8 o'clock and it was the time to reach her school. And then she realized that her mother was making her wake up in the time, but she couldn't. So children, what happened? She got up late. As a result, she had to take a bath in cold water. She combed her hair in hurry, and as a result, she could not comb her hair properly. At the same time, she was wearing her shoes, and as a result, she could not wear the shoes properly. That means, just the shoes exchanged, and she was feeling uncomfortable while walking, and it was the time to have some breakfast as her mother told, but she was already late, so she told her mother, I am late, I can't have my breakfast. So what happened? She rushed to the bus stop, where she will catch the bus. But when she reached and she saw there was no one, there was no bus, there were no other students. She waited there for hours and there was no one. Then she realized that she was late and the bus has left. And then she returned to home and told her mother that she was late and she has missed the bus. And she said her mother to make her reach the school, and she promised her mother that she will never get up late. She will do every work on time. Her mother told her okay and make her reach the school, but there they saw there were no one. So once again they felt they were very late. Disha was feeling so sorry and she started crying. Her mother made her to understand and she learnt the lesson from that day, and after that she never got up late and she did all the work on time. Dear children, there is a story for you. You can realize, suppose we have to be punctual and everyone is punctual in our nature. If we are not punctual, then what will happen? As a result, we saw she was not punctual. As a result, she missed the school bus, she missed the picnic. And think children, if our nature is not punctual, then what will happen? If winter has come and just after the winter there is no summer is doing late, then what will happen? Just think, after the hot summer the rain will not come, then just think what will happen. So we find that everyone, including nature, is doing their work on time. Then why should we not do the work on time? So children, we have a good lesson today, and we have learned that we should be punctual. We should be on time to get success in our life. So this is the moral of the story, and I hope you will apply this moral value in your life since now, and you will do all the work on time. Okay, bye. Have a blessed day.